Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to move contact to the SIM card on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, knowing how to move contacts to the SIM card provides a convenient and reliable method for backup, compatibility, and access the contact information across different devices and situations. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you have to go to the contact application on your device. Well, after that, click the settings menu at the top right corner. And then, here will appear many contact settings. And you have to click on Import/Export Contacts. Okay, so here you can select from where will you move your contacts to the SIM card. And after selecting, you can choose your SIM card. Then here, select a contact you want to move, or you can select all by pressing this option. Okay, after finishing, and click OK to continue. Then wait till process finish. Well, so now the contacts were successfully moved to your SIM card. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to move contacts to the SIM card on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.